Trading in commodities are subject to market risks. Please read disclaimer available on the screen carefully. Good morning everyone. In today's cotton report, we will cover more about the price activities than the demand supply trend. As we have already spoken several times that India production is likely to be lower than last year, demand would be on record high side and ending stock in India will be lower. Simultaneously, despite the higher global production, ending stock in the world market will also be lower. So ultimately tight supply will remain for this crop year, and that is why we have seen cotton prices this year has reached the level of 129 cents per pound on February 1st. Though since then it is into the kind of short-term corrective wave and corrected more than 6% since then. But prices managed to get support from our trend reversal point of 118.65, as last week we saw prices fell to 119 and afterward showed kind of a recovery. Well, last week itself cotton prices lost 3%, and if we talk of this week, Monday US market was closed on account of President Day, so much of the activity happened only yesterday. Cotton prices lost around 1%. Outlook index is also actually trading down. It is hovering around 137 as of now. USDA has lowered world adjusted prices for cotton to 114.6. Tension between Ukraine and Russia is continuing to drive the financial market lower. We have seen Dow Jones fell by 500 points yesterday, and most of the riskier asset classes are down. The Russian president said that he would recognize the independence of two breakaway regions in the Ukraine. In response to it, US along with the Europe has placed some sanctions on the Russia, and they said there would be stringent, more firm sanctions against Russia if they will not withdraw their military from the Ukraine border. Cotton prices failed to get the support from the rising food prices, which have mustered very solid gain yesterday. Especially we talk of wheat and corn. Wheat gained by 6% last night, and corn gained by 3%. There was a strong buying momentum in the soybean complex also. Soybean gain about 1.5% and soybean oil gained by 2%. See, Russia and Ukraine alone accounts for about 27% of the wheat export. Combined, they account for 17% of the corn export. If there would be sanctions on Russia, certainly export from the Russia will be on lower side, and direct benefit of this would go to the US and other main exporting nations. Indian export too would actually get the benefit of it, but being essential commodities, we cannot sell export wheat much to the international market. But certainly so far as the price is concerned, tracking the overseas movement, corn and wheat will remain strong in the domestic market too. Shifting focus to again cotton, I think we would see kind of sluggishness and uncertainty in the prices of cotton in short term. Still, we believe that as long as prices are trading above 118.65 on CBOT and 36,450 on MCX, bias will remain on a positive side, and we will see recovery in the coming future. If prices fail to sustain above these level, or we say if prices close below 118.65 on CBOT and 36,450 on MCX, then I think cotton will turn bearish for some weeks. So we have to wait and watch for this level. As long as prices are not closing below these levels, cotton will have upside story in the coming days. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you have liked our video. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel.